Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use mapmyrun on the browsers. First, you should have mapmyrun to go you should have mapmyrun account, and if you don't have, just create a new one and sign in into the website. Here you will find the first thing, the dashboard. So in the dashboard or the main menu, you will find uh, all your activities that you have done, like walk, treadmill, or whatever was the activity. Also, you can click on it and see its route. And because this one was there wasn't like it was just only a 2 seconds duration, so it didn't capt or trace a big route to show on the Google Maps. Also, you can add for each agenda, as you can see, you can add a name or anything that you want, the start time. Also, uh, you can choose an activity, and after that, just click on save. Also, you can upload a TCX file or GPX. Those are some workouts or these apps. These fitness apps file types. So just choose a file. For example, I already had this one. Let's search for it, and it was TCX file. Here it is. I am going to click import and go to the dashboard. And as you can see, I will have it. I have my uh, my activity imported. Also, you can trace routes with, uh, you can find new routes or trace your own route with the map Myron I mean the website. So if I click on create route, I will have this map, for example, here. I will start this point to this point, go here, and after that we will go here, and it will start until, for example, loop the route to this point, and you can control however you want the route to be. Also, you can add a workout, for example, and add a workout, and you will just have to add like specific details, and it won't like uh, track your activity because it is not like the phone application. And here is the shop of the Map My Run, where you can have like other offers of the Under Armour company. So basically, this is how the website work. Thank you for watching and goodbye.